All right, so here we are with this install. As you can see, he got a driver and passenger seat. They do have a little bit different look. You guys can customize them, or you can choose to go with this kind of plain black setup. It's really sleek looking. But the nice thing about these seats, the most important thing, is that they're adjustable, and they're adjustable in multiple ways. You got a lot different adjustments that you can make to it. So we'll kind of run through those real quick. So you obviously got the front to back. Down here, this is just a simple pull lever, pretty much exactly like the other manual Ford seats. But right above that, you have something that is really nice for people who have different length of like femurs. And so you can really, if you have long legs, you have short legs, you can make that adjustment. And it pushes the seat out and in, judging on what's most comfortable to you. So moving to the sides right here, you have your recline, and this is on both sides. And then right above that, on the left side, you'll have the lumbar height adjustment. So depending on where you need that lumbar support, you can adjust it with that. And then on the right side, same location, you have lumbar in and out movement. And so that kind of lets you determine how much support you do want. Moving up on the left side right here, you now have the side bolstering. The part that holds you into the seat, kind of side to side motion, that is gonna be adjustable right here with this guy. So on both sides here, you're gonna have this little lever right here, and it's gonna allow the seat to fold forward. One, that's gonna give you a lot more living space, or felt living space, because you're not utilizing this space when you're in the back cabin area. But two, is gonna make it super easy to swivel the whole seat once you are in the cabin. That means you don't have to open the doors to swivel that seat. All right, so if you guys flip up both of these armrests, you'll be able to see that there's a little turn knob right here. That is gonna be adjustment for the angle of this armrest. If you're someone who likes it angled up a little bit, you can just kind of fine tune that to exactly what you want. All right, so one of the last features on this seat itself is going to be two options of heated. You have a high and a low setting, and then off, and then we do wire them into the factory system, and so you're not going to accidentally leave them on and kill your starter battery. We pair these Scheel-Mann seats with the Alpine Mechanisms swivel. We really like this one because of this low pro design, and then it also lets you swivel from the rear. So when you're already in the back cabin area, it makes it super easy to swivel that seat around. All right, so I'm going to tilt the seat forward right here, and then down here, right, there's going to be a little pull tab. I'm going to just pull that, and that's going to allow me to rotate this seat and position it where I want. All right, now that I got it positioned, perfect for sitting right here, hanging out. Provides another seat for more something, more hangouts. Allows a little bit more people in here and a little bit more space, opens up the space. But these are a product that they specifically reached out to us because they are people who take those extended drives and those longer trips. These really help with extending your range in terms of your physical body and how tired you are once you arrive. These prevent that fatigue of just sitting in the chair for long periods of time. So these are going to be a special request item. This is not something we conventionally offer, but if you are interested in this, reach out to one of our van gurus and we can kind of work with you guys on what we can and can't do. So just let us know and we'll go from there.